So hi everyone, welcome to this React tutorial series. In this series, I'll guide you guys through web applications using React. So today, we'll start with the basics, installing Node, Visual Studio Code, and creating your very first React app. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own development environment set up and be able to run a React application on your browser. So let's dive in. So first things first, to work with React, we would need Node, and we'll need npm, that is Node Package Manager. So npm comes in bundle with Node.js, and so installing one that just gives you both. So for this installing Node, we'll go to this link, and I'll be putting the links of the both Node and Visual Studio inside the caption, so you guys can just grab them from there and download your packages. Okay, so this will look something like this, and you will download Node from here and Visual Studio from there. Now, after downloading, you guys will have these packages looking somewhat like this inside your download folders. You guys just need to extract these folders, and yeah, you will be done. After this, if you guys want to cross-check if your packages are downloaded or not, you guys just need to go to your command prompt and type in this and okay, so if both of the version appears, then great job, Node.js and npm are successfully installed. Now after this, let's create a document and start working with React.js. Right here, I have created an empty folder named React tutorial. You guys can name anything. So now let's open it inside Visual Studio, and inside the terminal, we're gonna start working on creating our first React app. Okay, so here the first command that we need to work on, that we need to put in to create our React app. Okay, so okay, so now in the meantime, it's creating its environment. Okay, so let me tell you something. npx is this version so okay, so npx is used because it gives you a faster environment to build up your whole React environment. Inside React environment, we will have multiple folders like package notation, which just shows you what packages are there, and then we'll have node modules and everything else ready for us. So by the time it downloads, let's wait for it to download, and yeah. Okay, so this command has created you a new folder. Mine is called React tutorial, but you can name it any way you want to, with all of the files that you need to getting started. That includes Node modules. These are the prerequisite modules that you would need inside creating your application. Then we have public folder. This has multiple things, like the index.html is the root folder of your application. It has the metadata and other things that will be shown inside your headers or anything. Now, this one, src, is the basic folder that you guys are going to be working in. So, okay, now let's start the development server and we will be done. And that's it. This command starts your development server. Let's check it out. This is the React app, which shows inside here, inside title. So this will go inside your title bars, and then if you want to make some changes, then you go to React.js and make changes right here, and that will be reflected out here. For the further ones, for better, okay, so we'll dive deeper into understanding the folder structure of a React project and start modifying the default app in the next tutorial. Thank you for following along and see you next time. Don't forget to like and share and comment also. And don't forget, okay, stop it. Okay. And don't forget to like, share, comment, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon.